Okay, and so, Mr. Serrano, Mr. Hernandez, is present. Have you spoken with Mr. Hernandez?
Yes, we're ready.
Okay, well, I think that when she checked in, she provided some, information to one of the court officers. I'm going to put the two of you into a breakout room, counsel.
Okay.
Good morning, Mr. Hernandez.
Good morning. Your Honor, can I speak?
I'm sorry?
Am I allowed to speak?
Okay, we're not on the record, but go ahead.
Okay. I was told to ask for discovery and ask for a pre-trial, a jury trial. I was told to plead not guilty. I have a friend that is a Detroit police sergeant, and she had me call this attorney, Tom Stedham. And he said, I do not plead guilty to this.
Okay, but maybe you already did. So, Mr. Serrano, I'm going to put the two of you in a breakout room. And then we'll see where we're going, okay?
Okay.
Okay. So it'll be breakout room 1. So Mr. Hernandez, you can speak to Mr. Serrano regarding that, because as of now, this Mr. Stedham person has not yet filed an appearance, okay?
Okay, so what do I do?
I can't tell you what to do right now, but right now, the one thing I'm going to tell you to do is to hit join for the breakout room to speak to Mr. Serrano, okay?
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. On the record in the matter of the city of Wyndotte versus Terry Hernandez, 2312848. And appearance, counsel?
Your Honor, good morning. Richard T. Serrano, P33828. Today, Your Honor, I appear as MIDC counsel for purpose of sentencing with my client, but I understand at this time she wishes to withdraw her plea. Please state your name, ma'am.
Terry Ann Hernandez.
All right, thank you. All right, and the court will note when checking in Ms. Hernandez, she indicated that she had spoken to another attorney and was advised to enter a plea of not guilty. The court informed Ms. Hernandez that she had already pled guilty, and this was the date scheduled for sentencing. And then Mr. Serrano and Ms. Hernandez were then in a breakout room. And so, counsel?
Your Honor, I've explained to her what my client's desire is, that she's told me that she is about to retain her private attorney, and that attorney should file his or her appearance and then take proceedings to ask the court to withdraw the plea. And I told her what that procedure might entail. So with that, Your Honor, I told her I can no longer be her court-appointed counsel. I guess you would want an adjournment for that attorney to file a motion to withdraw the plea.
Yeah, that's what I was told, to ask for a motion to withdraw the plea.
Hold on. Let me finish. Counsel, when you say you can no longer be your her attorney, until there's an attorney that files an appearance, you're still her attorney.
I agree, Your Honor, but I'm not going to file a motion to withdraw her plea if I don't agree with her interpretation of the reasons.
Okay, I can understand that. There would have to be a motion as to that. Ma'am, did you already retain this attorney?
I spoke to him on the phone. He had advised me to ask for discovery and ask for a pre-trial of a jury trial.
Okay, ma'am, my question is this. Are you retaining the services of this attorney?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so because you've already entered a plea of guilty, right? There's different proceedings that have to go next, not simply requesting discovery, pre-trial and jury trial, because you've already waived your right to those to a jury trial as you entered your plea at the pre-trial. So what I will do is I will indicate the sentencing was not held. I will indicate that defendant retaining counsel.
I was told to ask for a motion to change my plea. Your Honor, I honestly don't understand all this. I'm just going with the advice that I was given. I do have a
Okay.
friend that is, she's a retired police sergeant. And she told me absolutely not, do not, plead guilty to this. She said, this is a very serious charge. And my brother is prescribed the Tylenol 3 and we do share the vehicle.
Mr. Hernandez, you better not talk about any of the facts of the case. That's my final advice to you.
Okay. Like I said, I don't understand any of this.
Okay, ma'am. What, I'm going to set this, I'm going to adjourn this to September 26th, which is a week from tomorrow. And so
Okay.
your attorney is going to have to file his appearance.
Okay.
We'll listen to 8:45 a.m. on September
Okay.
26th.
So I'm
Okay.
to be here on that day?
Yes.
Okay.
And
Thank you, Your Honor.
your attorney should also be here and have filed an appearance in the substitution of attorney.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
All right. Thank you. Well, indicate bonding conditions are continued.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. And you're all set, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Have a good day. All right, let's
You
go
too.
off the record for a moment.